There comes a moment many of us notice after 60. That subtle shift, when hugs become quicker, when grandchildren hesitate before climbing onto our laps. It's not your imagination. As our skin matures, it begins producing different oils that create a gentle scent we can't detect ourselves, but others sometimes can. Scientists call this natural compound Nonenal, and it's why that distinctive mature fragrance lingers even when we're freshly showered. The cruel irony, our noses become blind to our own scent, while those closest to us, especially children with their sensitive noses, notice immediately. The solution begins with rethinking shower time. Most of us wash thoroughly, but we're missing the key areas where these odors hide. Take special care with the places we often rush through. Behind the ears where oils collect, the back of the neck we barely reach, between toes where bacteria thrive, and any skin folds that don't get proper attention. Our friend Linda discovered this when her granddaughter's innocent comment broke her heart. After she started spending just 30 extra seconds on these specific areas with a mild moisturizing soap, everything changed. Within 2 weeks, that same granddaughter was snuggling close again, happily declaring that Grandma smelled like her famous cookies once more. What we wear matters just as much as how we wash. Those comfortable clothes and favorite chairs we use daily are quietly holding on to scents we can't perceive. There are 2 remarkably effective solutions for this. First, try hanging clothes in direct sunlight for about an hour before wearing them. Retired tailor Sam swears by this method, explaining how sunlight's UV rays eliminate odor-causing bacteria more effectively than any spray or perfume. Second, when washing bedding, which absorbs these oils night after night, add half a cup of baking soda to your regular detergent. This simple addition works at the molecular level to neutralize stubborn odors. What we put into our bodies affects our scent as dramatically as what we put on them. Certain foods act as nature's deodorizers, working from the inside to counteract those aging compounds. Leafy greens like parsley and spinach, packed with chlorophyll, are particularly powerful. Citrus fruits help detoxify our systems, while green tea provides antioxidants that reduce odor-causing elements. George experienced this transformation firsthand when he began his mornings with a simple green smoothie. His wife actually thought she'd bought new laundry detergent until she realized the fresh scent was coming from George himself. Now it's their private joke that her musty husband has been replaced. The true beauty of these solutions lies in their simplicity. No expensive products, no drastic lifestyle changes, just thoughtful adjustments to our daily routines. But the impact goes far beyond scent. These small changes remove invisible barriers to intimacy, restoring those precious moments we cherish. Picture your grandchild climbing eagerly into your lap without hesitation, receiving full warm hugs instead of polite pats, seeing people lean in close rather than discreetly stepping back. These connections are worth preserving, and it all begins with minor but meaningful steps. Tonight, pay extra attention in the shower. Tomorrow, let the sun refresh your favorite sweater. Next week, add some parsley to your meals. After decades of caring for others, you deserve to feel completely comfortable and confident in your own skin. Those spontaneous embraces, those cozy storytime snuggles, those moments when a grandchild buries their face in your shoulder without a second thought, they're worth every small adjustment. So, which change will you try first? The more focused shower routine, the sunlight refresh for your clothes, or perhaps George's morning green smoothie? Choose one and begin tonight. You might be pleasantly surprised by how quickly people start moving closer how naturally those loving moments return. Because the greatest gift we can give ourselves and those we love is the freedom to connect without hesitation or distance. What's your experience been with this? Drop a comment below and tell us. Have you noticed this change yourself, or has someone kindly pointed it out to you? Maybe you've already found a trick that works for you. We love hearing your stories. They help others feel less alone in this, and we can't wait to learn from what you've discovered. If this resonated with you, do us a favor. Give the video a like, hit that subscribe button and tap the bell so you don't miss our next tips. Share this with a friend or family member who might be wondering about this too. It could make all the difference in their relationships. Here's to more close moments, more spontaneous hugs, and more confidence in your own skin. See you next time.